People, this is Moshe again from Moshe's Reggae Lounge. Now, I haven't done a video in a long time for people. So I got some groups of people here that have a different story, right? And I want to say this before I start the video. Treat people the way you want to be treated. So look, I'm gonna start with the people, the guys from India. Then I go to these guys, and then I go to my friend over there, a Jamaican friend who's been coming here for a long time. Now, what's your name, brother? Varun from India.
Yeah.
They came, they didn't really want to wait because they got to go somewhere. I convinced them, they decided to wait. They were going to get 3 jerk chicken. How was the jerk chicken?
I think I'm going to come back to DR just for the jerk chicken.
You hear that, people? Him saying I come back to the DR just for the jerk. And his wife, they are Indians. In the middle of the order, they wanted a curry chicken. So I tell them they have to wait. They don't mind waiting. And let's hear what she had to say about the jerk, about the curry.
It's so yummy. I love it. I'm coming again.
You hear that? And they're from India, so you don't play with these people. Got good flavor in the mouth. You can't give them bullshit food and get a good comment from them. So you should have. I wanted to take the video when they tasting the food, but I totally forget. So then I asked them. They said it's okay. So they're from India. They loving the curry. This the curry chicken.
It's lovely. It's worth the wait.
And what's your name, babe? What's your name?
Mandris.
Mandris?
Yeah.
And they've been waiting. I can see the frustration on their face. But I say I'm gonna make a victim out of them here. And it wasn't a disappointment, right, guys?
That is true.
Now that I see.
Was a disappointment? Was not.
Not at all.
Okay. Now these guys read about me. He brought his friends over on the internet. He just had to try. The moment he came up, his face was full of light. And I like to cook for people like that because they already give me a good vibe. So when I go over my grill, they're in my head.
Yes.
What's your name, brother?
Tommy.
Tommy, where you from?
Queens, New York.
Oh yeah, you just told me that. How do you hear about the place?
On the internet.
Yeah, on that.
5-star reviews you got.
There you go. What about the jerk chicken?
Man, authentic flavors.
Boom shakata.
Boom, the best
Yeah.
I've had.
And but you didn't try yours. He didn't try it yet, but he's with Tommy, and he's with Tommy. He was full, so he didn't eat nothing. I just wanted to get him. Now this is my boy Maestro. I know this guy for 8 years, 9 years.
Yes, sir.
And he's been coming up in here. He was one of the first people that put my business on the internet.
That's right.
Maestro.
Yes, sir.
Listen, you have experience. Huh? What? Say that again?
I probably read his review.
Yeah.
I probably read your review.
Yeah. So Maestro been coming here for years. He's not no faker, because these guys are real people.
Definitely.
I was telling my friend of mine that you can fool all the people some of the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. Maestro, get in for the action.
Yo.
Tell the people that.
Authentic. Many people can cook and say, boy, jerk chicken, but very few can prove it.
There you go.
And Moshe has proven it time and time again.
Yes, sir.
Consistently.
Yes, sir.
And many flavors are hot. Don't try the acid. If you're not up for the acid, don't try the acid.
Don't
Keep
mess
it
with
hot.
acid.
You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? I had the acid before. The food seasoned perfect, but that acid, it's hot.
It is hot.
It is hot.
That acid I'm talking about is for people come for show off.
I was trying to show off.
Yeah.
You know?
Tell him the story.
Yo, I tried to show off. I said, you know what? Give me the acid. How bad could it be? We had that chicken for 3 days.
Couldn't touch it.
Couldn't, no, 3 days.
You know, folks, I tried to convince them 20 minutes. They left, they came back and bothering me. I said, all right, una dragon?
Yes.
Me I go to some dragon pepper.
We were breathing fire.
Cause una dragon, me I go teaching about dragon.
We were breathing fire.
So them did a breathe fire for days. Me know I said, no, if them have a nuclear war, them could have called up them 2 brothers here and say, go over there, so go breathe some bread from them. Yes, my brother, where did I come from again?
Yeah, man. Queens, New York.
Queens,
Same way.
another Rastaman, another house.
Yeah.
So tell them about the food, my brother.
Oh, good, man. No competition can come against it.
Tell them about the trying where you try something the other day.
Well, we try it and, you know.
Try another thing the other day.
Try it and now we get the real thing.
They get the real thing.
And we not stray from the real thing.
And now skip up no more.
Nah,
What do I
skip
name,
it
Rastaman?
now,
What do I name?
Joe the Breezy, man.
Joe the Breezing on the place. But maximum respect to Joe the Breezing. I'm glad to see him come on the place, come feel like him can eat some real Jamaican food up in the Dominican Republic. Now people, let me tell you this. Treat people the way you would like to be treated. Okay, that is my motto. However you want people to treat you, treat them the same way. And remember this, The world is like a mirror and it reflects what you do. If you smile at it, it will smile back at you. Boom, shakata, Moshe out.
Bless up.
Yeah, man, bless up.
Bless up.
Bless up in another place. And look at my friends over here. I mean, she just, look at her. She just get it. Look at her. She just get it. Look at she just ate it. But you know what, folks? I'm happy for them because I was afraid they didn't have time. And I know if the food wasn't good, I would be in trouble. And thank God that take the food, the taste of the food, take everything away from them, right? So he said he had a kite lesson to go to. And he can't go to no kite lesson no more. Yes, folks, so this is Moshe again from Moshe Reggae Lounge. Treat people the way you would like to be treated and the world will be a better place. Boom, shaka talk.